Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase affiliate sales with ClickBank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase affiliate sales with ClickBank, start by choosing a niche that you are passionate about. Research trending products within that niche on the ClickBank marketplace. Look for products with a high gravity score, as this indicates strong sales potential. Evaluate the sales pages of these products to ensure they are well designed and persuasive. Next, sign up for a ClickBank account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, obtain your unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Build a platform to promote these links. This can be through a blog, website, or social media channels. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Consider writing product reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles to attract readers. Utilize SEO techniques to optimize your content. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Ensure you disclose your affiliate relationships for transparency. Consider using email marketing to build and engage with your audience. Send regular newsletters that include your affiliate promotions. Leverage paid advertising if your budget allows. Social media ads or Google ads can drive targeted traffic to your offers. Monitor your performance using ClickBank Analytics. Identify which products are converting well and focus on promoting those. Continuously test and tweak your marketing strategies for improvement. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. Consider joining ClickBank's affiliate community for additional resources and support. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt your approach as needed. This will help you effectively increase your affiliate sales over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.